welcome back to our channel. So we are at the beach. We're camping out tonight on the beach. We almost didn't make it here. They tried to turn us around, or they did turn us around at the front gate. They told us that our car wasn't four-wheel drive, even though it is, and so we had to like leave, look it all up in the owner's manual, prove to them that it was four-wheel drive so we could get on the beach. We made it here. We got through the sand. We didn't get stuck yet. Hopefully we won't get stuck leaving. But this is our little campsite. So we have from this pole all the way to this pole. Because of like all the storms that Wilmington has had in like the past few years, the beach is like super eroded, and so you literally cannot drive past where we are. We're like in the last possible spot, and you used to be able to drive like all the way down. So hopefully they'll get all that solved and fixed so that eventually you can keep driving past where we are, because it goes like way down. But we got lucky, we got the last spot, so we're gonna get our tent set up and then get settled in for the night. So here's all the stuff we brought. It looks a mess. Everything smells like noodles to you lately. So this is only because we have to edit pictures and stuff while we're out here. But we've got some firewood, popcorn, snacks, which I already ate all of, beach towels, air mattress, camera equipment, my luggage, Terence's luggage, book bag, water for the dogs, got pillows and dog food, and then Terence is setting up the tent now. Babe, just hope we don't blow away during the night. Here we are. This is home for tonight. What do you think, Ava? It was like really quick to put up, actually. Oh, that pole, we need to take that out. But yeah, so we just gotta get our air mattress blown up and we'll be set. Nice booty. Got our air mattress blowing up. All the essentials. I can't sleep on the sand. My back is already messed up enough. So, air mattress it is. The sun is still going down, but it's really dark out here already. Yeah, well, I guess you can see the water because my lights are on. Probably should have came over here earlier. The sun went down really fast.
It all started at camp on the beach. We're laughing now, but it gets worse.
Okay, so
It's so dark out here.
I know. So we got our tent up. Our tent is up, and now we're gonna make a little. You probably can't see this, but we're gonna make a little fire right here in this area. The dogs are over there eating their dinner. So we're gonna make a little like fire right here. Current situation, building a pit for our fire to go in. We've got it like 10 feet away from our tent. Little chairs. Hopefully we can get it started. All the sand is like wet right here. Right under, you can see like the dark is wet and the light colored is dry. We'll see. I think like 3. Yeah.
What a big fire.
I mean, it's gonna go out really quick.
Why?
If you don't make it. It's made out of coffee beans. That's so cool.
Stay in the bag.
I hope so.
You like the arrow.
Yeah, it's supposed to stay in the bag.
A first time, you know. Fire starter?
A fire starter or lighter?
No, start fire.
So we got some like regular, this is just regular wood, right? Some just regular wood from, is that from Lowe's?
Yeah, that's Lowe's.
From Lowe's. And then we got a fire starter piece for a little fire. Not naked and afraid status, but we'll get there. All right guys, this is our little home. Got our light up there. Our mattress is actually pretty big.
Yeah.
Probably can't see Terence, but he's sitting on the floor and the mattress is like tall. Got our bed. The doggies, you can't see them. Let me see. Get the light. There we go. And the dog's over here. They're about to watch some Netflix and go to sleep and listen to the ocean.
So we made it through the night. Sleep wasn't too bad. Air mattress kind of messed my back up. And it deflated overnight, but
Sunrise is so pretty this morning.
I slept good. I didn't wake up throughout the night, so that's always good.
So we just went for a little walk down the beach. It's like 11 o'clock now, so it's time for us to go. We camped up our site, and the car's all packed up, so we're heading out. Had fun. Did you have fun, babe?
I did.
It's your first beach
Gotta
camping
do it again.
experience.
It wasn't a real camping experience.
It
Kind of
was
like
camping.
it was glamping.
You were in a tent.
But an air mattress,
You take air mattresses to like the forest when you camp.
a forest.
Don't you
Air
camp in the forest?
Take your little bag, sleeping bag.
It was camping.
But it was fun though.
didn't
I
shower.
enjoy it.
So it's
we need a
camping.
shower now. It'll probably stink.
Yeah.
And it's getting hot out here too, so we're starting to sweat. So I'm gonna get out of here.
See you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.